If you want to fix this reel is unavailable on Instagram, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, what you need to do, you're gonna be able right here to see this reel is unavailable on your DMs, right? Now what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, right? Go to the App Store or Google Play, right? And what you're gonna do, go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top right, scroll a little bit down, and just click Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is fully updated to the latest version in order for this to work out. And if you updated your app and still facing that issue, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, general, iPhone storage, and then what you're gonna do next, scroll a little bit down or wait for a few moments, click Instagram, and you're gonna upload the app. By uploading the app, you're gonna release or delete the app, but keep its document and data. And you're gonna be able to reinstall it again. Instead of the upload app, you're gonna see the reinstall app, and you're gonna be able to re-download it again. So that's me on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.